Okay, so now I have gotten all of my half square triangles cut, and I have arranged them here according to the diagram in our pattern. And I'm going to just finish by showing you how to finish that quarter square triangle here in the middle, that little tiny quarter square triangle. So originally we had taken our two half square triangles and we're going to nest them together. Well, the first step is you're going to draw another diagonal line. So this line is going to go opposite of the seam from your half square triangle. And then you're going to take the two pieces and nest them together so that you've got a dark blue and a light blue on each side. So because you have ironed these to the dark side, you can see that you can kind of wiggle that together with your finger and nest those seams so they sit just next to each other. Then you'll take this to your sewing machine and sew to the left and right of that line, which I've done right here. Now this is before any trimming. You don't want to trim these until you're done because you don't want to end up with not enough fabric. So I've sewn to the left and right side of my second drawn line. Now I'm going to cut right through that, and when I open it up you will see my quarter square triangles. Oops. I want to slide off a little. So there we go. That's a quarter square triangle. I just need to iron that seam flat and then give it a trim, and then it'll be ready to drop right into this square. And you can drop it in this way or that way. It doesn't really matter because you can rotate the square within the project to whichever direction you like. So I'm just going to iron that flat, cut the seams, drop it in the center, and then it just goes together like a 9-patch. And that's how you create the blocks for our Quilter's Trek pattern. Thank you for watching.